Hello, this is Iino. This time, I will bring you logistics news from early March 2025. I will explain the movements in the new alliance system, the economy under the Trump administration, and the chaos in European ports. Let's get started. U.S. retail sector expected to grow, despite Trump tariffs. Even with the uncertainty surrounding Trump tariffs, the growth of import demand in the U.S. retail sector is predicted. According to reports from the Journal of Commerce, the import volume in February 2025 increased by 0.2% compared to the same month last year, with expected increases of 11% in March and 8.2% in April. This trend is significantly influenced by the tariff policies of the Trump administration. Specifically, a 10% tariff is planned for China, while the 25% tariff on Mexico and Canada has been postponed. As a result, retailers are ramping up imports ahead of the tariffs to secure inventory. However, the increase in warehouse costs associated with early imports poses a challenge, and concerns are raised that tariffs could diminish consumer purchase intentions, potentially affecting logistics volumes. Additionally, rising prices due to tariffs may intensify inflationary pressures and influence the Federal Reserve's decisions on interest rate cuts. In January, the Consumer Price Index, CPI, recorded a 3% increase compared to the same month last year, indicating persistent inflationary pressures. How tariff policies will evolve in the future and their impact on the U.S. economy will be closely watched. Maersk sees $500 million cost reduction with new operations as Gemini. The global shipping giant Maersk has commenced operations under a new framework called Gemini, anticipating a cost reduction of approximately $500 million in fiscal year 2024. CEO Vincent Clark announced the future business strategy, emphasizing that utilizing the Suez Canal will significantly enhance supply capacity. By using the Suez Canal, the sailing time is shortened compared to the traditional route around the Cape of Good Hope, with a potential increase in annual supply capacity of 3.5 to 4 million TEU expected. On the other hand, the risks of fluctuating supply volumes due to the scrapping of older vessels, reduced sailing speeds from environmental regulations, and port congestion were also noted. Additionally, Maersk aims to increase its on-time performance from the current 50% to 90%, while seeking to reduce fuel costs. This initiative is expected to enable cost savings of $500 million. Going forward, Maersk plans to enhance the efficiency of global logistics and optimize costs through the new operational strategy. Chaos in European ports, delays of vessels due to storms, strikes, and increased cargo volume. Delays for vessels in major European ports are worsening, caused by storms, strikes, and a surge in cargo volume. A 17.6% increase in exports from China compared to the same month last year is contributing to congestion in European ports. Notably, cargo dispatched at the end of December is arriving in succession, causing delays in unloading. Furthermore, strikes have occurred in Rotterdam and the French port of Le Havre. As a result, the speed of terminal operations has decreased, making it difficult for vessels to depart as scheduled. In Le Havre, port workers carried out a 4-hour strike until February 24th, and a nationwide strike is scheduled from February 26th to 28th. Additionally, a storm in the Atlantic hit the English Channel in late January, issuing strong wind warnings in Hamburg, Antwerp, Rotterdam, Le Havre, Dunkirk, and Southampton. This has caused a temporary halt in cargo handling, worsening delays. The chaos in European ports complicates timely transportation and affects the entire supply chain. Exporters and forwarders need to adjust schedules considering the delays. The recent port chaos is attributed to the convergence of 3 factors: storms, strikes, and a surge in cargo. It is crucial to pay attention to the evolving situation. How did you find this logistics news? North America is a significant market, and trends in North America have a profound impact on the logistics industry. Let's continue to pay attention to the ceasefire declaration by the Houthis regarding attacks on the Suez Canal and the chaos in European ports as well as market trends. That's all for now. Thank you very much.
In this channel, I explain about international logistics knowledge for your better understanding. I hope this video will be a good support for your logistics job. If you have any shipment from Thailand or to Thailand, please feel free to contact me Iino-san anytime. Also, I'm very motivated to keep updating these videos. If you subscribe, press good or comment anything. Well, thank you. See you next time.